Hi there again from Urban Woodworker. Some of you have asked about how to make these little bases that the lamp fits into so that you can use it in a dog hole on the bench. Well, that little base looks just like this. It's a simple piece of plywood, and it's in this case 12 millimeter or ½ inch Baltic birch and a 3/4 inch dowel drilled and secured in the middle, and then a ½ inch hole drilled into the dowel. That's pretty much it. So let's get started with the layout. Here's a piece of 12 millimeter Baltic birch. It's right now, I'm not even worrying too much about the exact size, but this piece is just over 3 3/8. It's a good idea not to cut out the circles until you've drilled the holes for the dowels. It's much more difficult to hang on to a little disc on the drill press than it is to hang on to a nice big piece of wood. All right, so now we'll go off to the drill press. We'll drill the 3/4 inch hole for the dowel. Okay folks, we've got a 3/4 inch brad point bit in here. I set the fence to give me the two hole centers on the same center line. Be sure when you're using a drill press not to drill through the table, but to set your depth stop. All right, we're back again. We've got two pieces of dowel that we need to drill a ½ inch hole into the center of. The hole needs to be 1½ inches deep. All right, so we have two drilled dowels that will now get glued in to the bases, but first we have to bandsaw out the bases. Okay, time for the bandsaw to rough out these circles. Okay folks, final stage. Just a bit of glue, and then we're done. I've taken these discs and just sanded the edges so they no longer got any frayed bits, no longer sharp, no slivers. And now it's glue time. So take it to the disc and pound it until you hear it going home. Same with the other one. There's both pieces. And it's real simple now, just in it goes. So, there it is. Thanks for watching.